Hello everyone!
I would like to show you how to make X-gyro. Here are the steps. Prepare scissors, pet bottle, and tape. Wrap it around with tape. It makes it easier to understand the cutting position. Cut the pet bottle by scissors. It's easier to cut by using scissors after making a notch in the cutter. Clean the cut part. Peel off the tape. Wrap the tape around 3 or 4 wraps. Please fly while rotating it.
Rotating objects do not tilt easily. It's the same as rotating tops that do not easily collapse. Therefore, the X-gyro can fly far while rotating. Please make it and enjoy playing with it. Thank you for watching the video.